Hello everybody, I am Dr. Leonardo Barilaro of Space Pianist. And today we are here to experience something unique related to the project ASTROBEAT.
Hi, everybody. Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. here, bright and early. I'm so happy and honored to be a very small part of this with all of these amazing, genius people. And over here, I just play the cello. So Leo reached out to me, I think it was maybe about 6 months ago, with this incredible opportunity to be a part of this. I've been very lucky to perform all over Earth, but I've never had the opportunity to do anything related to space. I am also a little bit of a space nerd casually, so that was such an exciting prospect. So basically, Leo and I, we composed together this piece of music that is the official soundtrack of ASTROBEAT. And my dear friend Steve Mazzaro, who I met working with Hans Zimmer, he composes music together with Hans Zimmer. He actually took some of the sounds that Leo provided that were recorded in space as a sound design. So in this piece, it's just Leo on the piano, which was the first initial bass, the primary bass of this composition. And then I wrote my cello parts on the acoustic cello. And then Steve came in and produced the entire track and tied everything together using only sounds from space that he manipulated and created together. So I'm very excited for everyone to be able to hear this piece and also hopefully watch the music video that is coming out very soon.
It has been really a pleasure, and it's emotional to see ASTROBEAT on orbit nowadays, but of course, be part of something bigger than the only part of the engineering. It's always really, really emotional.
I have to say that I am truly, truly proud of this moment. So thank you very much, Andy. And it's incredible how much these bytes, because at the end we are talking about bytes, are traveling how many kilometers. And I have to say that the audio quality was not bad at all from what I can see here.
First of all, thank you to everyone who joined us live to experience the stream together. I was typing a little bit in the live chat. I also wanted to say that, Leo, you are so incredible to work with. You have such positive energy, and I love how passionate you are about everything. So it's been great. As Leo mentioned, the official music video for Moon Seeds is coming out tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific time, where I am in Los Angeles. So that's 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern, or of course, you can just watch the video after it's uploaded. It is going to be on my YouTube channel. Right now, this video is playing on Leo's. So you can easily find the link. And I think both of us will share the links later as well. And if you want to stream the song live, it will be available everywhere. And yeah, again, just being, I've worked on movie soundtracks like Leo's mentioned, some space related or whatnot, but this is just such an exciting opportunity, and it's really wonderful to be able to make music completely openly, with a completely open creative space. We didn't have any limitations on what we had to do. So I hope that this piece resonates with you guys, and it gives you a vibe of spaciness, if that makes any sense.
At SkyUp Academy, I worked with Mauro Baldissera to prepare many kind of visual art. So the first one that you have already seen is the cover, that is made with traditional digital art, so digital painting. And I get, of course, inspired by the previews of the song Moon Seeds that really gave me goosebumps while listening and drawing it. And so that is a classical workflow as a artistic workflow. Tomorrow you will see instead the background for the music video, which I've used a different technique, which I experimented with the AI to prepare some abstract and a bit sci-fi and dreamy backgrounds. So tomorrow you'll see. And then I've used 3D art to do some technical preview for ASTROBEAT. So I really used the 360.
Right, I was forgetting the role of SkyUp was also on the technical side, and it was amazing because you and your colleagues developed an amazing rendering of the 3D model of ASTROBEAT.
Hello, everyone. I'm in Abu Dhabi. That you won't tell from my background. This is not a typical Abu Dhabi landscape. And it's 7:30 p.m. here. So first of all, I'd like to thank Leonardo and MCAST for taking us from NYU Abu Dhabi into this amazing journey through space and music. Has been a privilege, has been breathtaking to see what you can achieve if you put your mind and your passion to it. I'm an astrophysicist by training, and I'm a theorist, so I'm the kind of person that usually deals with equations and numbers. And being part of an experiment like this, which conjugates art and space science, has been a true experience. In NYU Abu Dhabi, we have the Center for Astrophysics that I am directing since a few years, where we do a large spectrum of studies from satellites and instruments that go in space down to studying the physics of exotic objects like black holes, wormholes. So we drift a little bit into interstellar and this kind of science. So in a way, we are close also to the scientific and sci-fi passions that many of you share in this call. For me personally, it has been amazing to see the images that recently have been released of ASTROBEAT floating in space in the International Space Station in microgravity, something that I've seen on Earth and now is in space. And for me, even though I am a scientist, it's been literally mesmerizing. The last thing I want to mention is that, as Leonardo already anticipated, there will be the other streaming on Wednesday, where my colleagues from the arts, from the music department, will be able to tell you more about the engagement of our students in this amazing project. For the scientific part, I'm very eager that ASTROBEAT is working fine, and I look forward to have it back on Earth to do more analysis on the scientific side of the experiment. For the moment being, I am truly honored to be in this call, and I want to thank one more time Leonardo, MCAST, and all the other people that participate in this experiment for making it happen. It's been great journey.
Hello, everyone. I'm sure that you share my view, and I enjoyed very much watching the streaming and listening to the music. And for us at MCAST, this is an exciting project led by Leonardo, and we've been in this voyage with him since he joined MCAST. He's very enthusiastic in his projects, and we very much support his endeavors in the current projects that he has. It's been amazing, actually. It's the first time that I can see technology and art go together, and I think that everyone will share that it was a very interesting presentation today.
Thank you, Tina. Thank you once again. I'm sure we will bring this to the next level. Thank you, everyone who took part to this streaming, and see you up there.